Now I want to show you how to create a discussion post if you have not done that before. Click on the green link. In this case, anytime you see a colored link or a colored title of an assignment, you know that's a place you need to upload something for a grade. So I clicked on the green link for the discussion post. I need to click Create Thread. And then I will type in the subject of my post. You can type whatever you want for your subject. This post asks you to introduce yourself to the class. Now, for most assignments, you have to abide by the MLA format standards, which means you would use Times New Roman font and 12 point. But for discussion posts, I'm really looking for content. I'm looking to see if you write well. I'm looking to see if you use an advanced level of sentence variety and you connect your thoughts in an organized way that is compelling to a reader. So simply type in the box your introduction of yourself. Here are some questions that you might consider, and you can just start typing. Once you finish typing, you will click Submit. If you do not click Submit, it won't be uploaded. If you go to My Grades and you don't see a yellow circle with an exclamation point in it next to an assignment, that means you have not submitted it. If you see a blue circle, a partial blue circle, that means you have not finished submitting it. It's an assignment where you have done some work, but you have not uploaded it or finished uploading it in a way that I can grade. So the usual problem is that a student has not yet clicked Submit. You can also attach something to your Blackboard post. If you wanted to attach a picture, you could, or if you wanted to type your discussion post in a Word document, you could do that, and then you could save it as a PDF and then click Browse My Computer. Be sure that you save all assignments as a PDF or a .docx. If you save it as Pages or one of the other files that are often used by computers that are not as compatible with Blackboard, then I can't read it, and so you'll get a 0. So make sure that you save it the right way if you're going to attach something as a file. And you don't have to do that for discussion posts, but most every other kind of assignment you will be uploading as a standard PDF. When you use Upswing, you'll have to save as a .doc or .docs because that's what Upswing is able to use to attach feedback. So make sure you do that as well.